Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about IoT. What is IoT? IoT means Internet of Things. We control any devices through Internet or we send data to Internet is known as IoT. Suppose in your house light, fan, fridge, washing machine, these all are devices. Nowadays some washing machine and fridge are IoT enabled. In future a tube light, fan, and all home appliances will be internet enabled. This is a new technology in the world. Today I am talking about small project. This is the project based on the IoT. Simply we control two LED through internet. Let's see the output of the project, or let's see the working of the project, how it's work. First you have to connect the power supply to this board. This is the ESP8266 board. Then you have to go to this app, Blink app. If the Blink app is open, then simply we control the LED, these two LED through internet. Means here is a no limitation of the range. We can control any devices or access any devices through worldwide. Now let's how to make this project. Let's see the how make IoT based project. This is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Is known as Node MCU Amica. It is made by China. Uh, it is available in the market only for 100 rupees. We replace the Raspberry Pi with this small Node MCU because the price of the Raspberry Pi is very expensive, around 4,000 rupees, and the price of this Node MCU is only 400 rupees. This is the board Node MCU. It has IO pins and PWM pins and also analog pins. You can control and access devices through this Node MCU. Now we see how to control LED through internet. Let's see the total description of this project. After this you have to connect the hardware to your computer. This is the cable connect to the PCB. LED, two LEDs, first LED is connected to the D2 and second red LED is connected to the D7 with 330 ohm resistor. Then you have to go to the manager, computer manager, and then go to the port com and note down the silicon labs USB to UART bridge com 4. Then go to the Arduino IDE, then go to the tools and select the port from here. This is a COM port 4. After selecting COM port 4, burn the program using this arrow. After burning the program, then you have to go into tools, then go to the serial monitor. Open Blink app, then go to the new project. From here we select the Node MCU. Here is the ESP8266 module selector from here, then select connection type Wi-Fi and create. Here you go to the project name ARDUINO token was sent to the Radwani. And from here we have to create a project. Here is the email sent from here, Blink. Here is the authentication code, means this is the your access code for server. Here is the token for new project. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.